Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today, I will show you how to fix your smart TV if it is stuck in demo mode. Stay with me, and I will guide you step by step. What is demo mode? Demo mode is a special mode used in stores to display TVs. It limits normal TV functions and keeps looping advertisements. If your TV is stuck in this mode, you cannot use regular features. Don't worry, the solution is simple. Step 1. Access settings. Make sure your TV is powered on. Press the menu or home button on your original TV remote. Do not use universal remotes, as some features may be locked. Navigate to Settings. On some TVs, it is called System Settings or General Settings. Step 2. Find Demo Mode option. Inside Settings, look for an option called Demo Mode, Retail Mode, Store Mode, or Exhibition Mode. Every brand uses slightly different terms, so check carefully. Step 3. Turn off Demo Mode. Select the Demo Mode option. Choose Off, Exit, or Home Use. Some TVs will ask for a confirmation code. If prompted, enter 00001234 or the last 4 digits of your TV's serial number. Step 4. Factory Reset. If the TV does not exit demo mode, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, System Reset. Select Reset to Factory Defaults. Enter your TV password if required. This will erase all apps and custom settings. After reset, reconnect your Wi-Fi. Use 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz networks, depending on your router. Make sure the connection is stable for TV activation. Step 6. Update firmware. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update. Updating ensures demo mode does not return. Final note: once done, your TV should function normally. All features, apps, and channels will work without demo mode restrictions. Always use the original remote. Follow steps carefully and take notes of any codes used. This is Tech Vibes, keeping your smart TV issues simple and solved.